Hey there, 7th grade civics students. The reason that I'm wearing this mask is because by the next time you see me, this is exactly what I might look like. So, I'm just giving you a little preview. Now, here's what we're going to do. I am going to set up a Zoom video conference meeting for this Sunday, the 22nd at 7 p.m. The reason that I'm doing this is because we started this election campaign and I want to see it through. Now, don't worry about the posters. All I want to focus on is your speech. I want to do a test run. I want to see if we can get as many people into the Zoom meeting as possible. And then if we can have success with that, then that's how we're going to do our speeches. Everyone's going to take turn doing their speeches. So hopefully everybody can hear everyone's speech, and then you can message me through email who you are voting for. I will send each one an electronic ballot, and that way you can see who's running for what office in case you forgot, and then you can let me know and we can get the results. I still want to see this election campaign through. So I'm going to send you an email. I'm also going to send you a message in Canvas that's going to give you all the information you need so you can join the Zoom video conference meeting Sunday at 7 o'clock. Okay? So please remember that. You know what would be really nice? If you can contact me via email telling me you got this message and telling me what time and on what day the Zoom meeting is going to take place. Okay? Again, Sunday, 7 p.m. Take care.